How to repair your air hydraulic jack. Always place the jack on its left side, with the oil filler hole facing downwards. That way you avoid oil leakage and oil in the air system. Remove the protective plate by removing the 2 screws. Then remove the 4 cylinder screws. Place the jack upright. It's now possible to pull the frame back a little. The next step is to disassemble the air hose for the cylinder return by pushing the small red ring while pulling the hose. Then remove the oil hose. After this, remove the air supply hose for the air motor. If you need to repair the cylinders, start by fixing the cylinder base to your workbench. Then remove the main cylinder. Then remove the small piston from the middle cylinder. Remember to be careful with the cylinder parts. Avoid using tools that might leave scratches and marks. Now start removing the small piston, followed by dismantling the 100mm piston from the middle cylinder. Remove the old seals and use air to clean the parts. It is very important to keep the parts clean. This is how the seals fit the cylinders. Keep in mind that the yellow backup rings are bowl-shaped, so the black O-rings fit into them. Secure the 100mm piston with a little glue and lubricate with grease before refitting the parts again. First fit the 100mm piston into the middle cylinder. All special tools used in this video are available on request. Now place the small piston in the middle cylinder. Make sure the bottom lip of the scraper ring is positioned correctly before pushing the piston in place. Both the 65mm piston and the saddle are secured with glue. Finally, refit the middle cylinder into the main cylinder. Make sure that the bottom O-ring on the main cylinder stays in place. Use plenty of grease to lock it. Make sure that the bottom lip of the scraper ring is positioned correctly. Be sure to push air hoses fully into the quick couplings. If you need to fix the air pump complete, start by removing the hose from the cylinder and then remove 3 screws on the cylinder base. Remember to change the O-ring between the cylinder and the pump block. Be sure to push the air hose fully into the quick coupling. If you need to replace the air motor and seals in the packing box, start by removing the sound absorber. Remove the air motor, remove the box. Remove the seals, clean and refit new seals. Check the piston for scratches before mounting. Lubricate with grease before refitting the parts again. Take care you position the air motor correctly. It can be fastened tighter, but it has to be placed like this. When the jack is ready for reassembly, just follow the disassemble steps in reverse order. Be sure to push all hoses fully into the quick couplings. Remember, it's a good idea to change the oil as well. Often the humidity in the air will mix with the oil and gradually dilute it. The correct oil level is to the lower edge of the hole.